Hey everyone, Vittorio from Eibach here, and we're back with another recap. We're going to start things off by saying thanks to everyone who took part in our annual summer sale. If you bought something, let us know what you bought in the comments below. We got a couple new exciting products for all new Toyota Prius. While it's not everyone's cup of tea, you gotta admit Toyota did a great job styling this one. To enhance the look a bit more, we're offering our Pro Kit or Sport line lowering springs. Check out the link in the description below to see which kit is the right one for you. In other news, you now have the option to purchase our Stage 1 kits as a complete and assembled kit. This should make installation a lot easier for those without a spring compressor. We're working on releasing a more detailed video about these kits right now, so make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. If you're going to Gridlife Summer Apex in Road America, be sure to check out the Eibach booth, as we'll have some limited shirts to give away. The shirt features a rad design of the Eibach and PhD Racing AE86, piloted by Jackie Ding in the Gridlife Touring Cup. Aside from Gridlife, we're preparing our WRX for Subi Fest. We got some nice paint match fenders from our friends at Noble, and a nice power and sound boost from our friends at Cobb Tuning. There's still more to feature, so be on the lookout for our feature video, or simply see the car at Subi Fest. For R&D, we had a Chevy Colorado Z71 package for initial testing and measurements. Along with the Colorado, we brought in a two-wheel drive Tacoma to test fit our Stage 1, Stage 2, and Stage 2R kit. Be on the lookout for those kits hitting the shelves shortly. And that's it for our weekly recap. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.